Konnichiwa, Chisuki Jinjei, Yokoso. In this video I'm going to talk about a triple goddess. We actually call her a triple goddess because there are three main deities related to grains, food, sake brewing. And these three deities, they share similarities, although they have different names, but they also share some differences. So they can be 1, 2, and 3, but they can also be the same aspect of one deity. They are Toyouke, Ukemochi, and Ogetsuhime. So let's start with Toyouke. Toyouke is a great goddess related to grains, food, and sake brewing. She takes care of people and the other gods, the other kami. And she's very close to Amaterasu. We can consider her to be Amaterasu's niece. And they are so close that Amaterasu ordered her temple to be close to her. So in Ise temple complex, we can find Toyouke in the outside area and Amaterasu in the inside area. The story of Toyouke is that simple. She's a benevolent goddess who makes food, who prepares food, and who takes care of everyone. The next one, Ukemochi, is featuring the goddess Taro as the Transformation Arcana or Death Arcana. And Ukemochi has a tragic story. She's also a goddess related to cooking, to grains, to fertility, to agriculture. Her story is told in the Nihon Shoki, the second book depicting the tales of Japanese mythology and Shinto mythology. When Amaterasu, the sun goddess, asked her brother Tsukuyomi, the moon god, to deliver a message to Ukemochi down on earth, Tsukuyomi descends from the celestial plane and meets Ukemochi. Ukemochi gets very happy by seeing him, and then she prepares a feast with more than 100 different plates. But she prepares these as a goddess of food by vomiting this food. And Tsukuyomi thinks this is very disgusting, so he gets furious and then he kills Ukemochi. Amaterasu thinks this is very bad, a very bad situation, but she sees from another angle too. When Ukemochi dies, her body becomes food, her body becomes abundance and prosperity. From her forehead, from her fingers, from her genitals, we have all the abundance in the planet, different kinds of food, plants, animals, and everything else. The third one is Ogetsuhime. Ogetsuhime has a very similar story to Ukemochi, but her story is depicted in the Kojiki, the first book, the oldest book. In her story, we have another Amaterasu's brother, Susanoo, the god of seas and storms. When Susanoo is expelled from the celestial plane because he's always misbehaving, he comes down to earth. And then he gets hungry, so he goes after Ogetsuhime and asks for food. She's very pleased to see him and to help him, so she serves him a feast by vomiting 100 different plates. A very similar story. And Susanoo also thinks this is very disgusting, so he kills Ogetsuhime. From her body, all the prosperity, all the abundance we know on the planet Earth is born too. So the same ending. So these three goddesses of grains, agriculture, abundance, and prosperity too share similarities. Toyouke, Ukemochi, and Ogetsuhime sometimes are considered to be just one. And all of them are very close to Amaterasu, so we see this connection of the sun with agriculture, the sun with the growth of grains. And another similarity we see with another different culture is with goddess Gaia. All of them are responsible for the abundance we have on planet Earth. A way to be connected with these three goddesses of food is by sharing food too. When they died, their body became food and abundance, so a way to get close to them, to share this energy, is by sharing food with people you love. And until today in temples, offerings are made for them. And instead of offering objects or gifts, people offer food prepared with care, just like they used to prepare the same care, the same love they used to prepare their food for us. So these were 3 goddesses related to grains, food, and agriculture, and also prosperity. If you like this video, please give your thumbs up, subscribe the channel, leave a comment below, and share this video with everyone. Access our free oracle and let the goddess guide you. Thank you very much. And if you're still here, why don't you stay a little bit longer? Here you can find a playlist with all the goddesses, all the Shinto goddesses I have talked about. Here you can find a playlist with all the goddesses in general I have talked about. Here you can find a playlist with spells and studies. And here you can subscribe for more. Thank you.